We'll guide you through how to upload CSV files to Slack. Quick disclaimer, skipping this single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, click on the Windows Start icon on your keyboard to begin the process. Type Google Chrome, then open Google Chrome on your device. Input Slack into the URL bar and press Enter. From the search results, select the official Slack website and wait for it to load completely. Before continuing, verify that you're already signed into your Slack account using your credentials. After signing in successfully, tap your recent workspaces to open the workspace where you want to upload the CSV file. If you do not have the desktop application installed, choose the Use Slack in your browser option instead. Once your workspace is open, choose the channel where you want to upload the CSV file so that the intended participants can access it. After opening the correct channel, click the Attach button, which is represented by the plus icon beside the message field. From the available options, select Upload from your computer to browse files stored on your device. Navigate through your folders until you locate the CSV file that you want to upload. Click the CSV file to select it, then press the Open button to attach it to your message. Slack will prepare the file for uploading and display it in the message area. Before sending the file, you may add an explanatory caption if necessary to provide context about the contents of a CSV file or to explain why you're sharing it. After reviewing the attached file and any accompanying caption, press the Enter key on your keyboard to send message. Your CSV file will then be uploaded successfully and become available in the selected Slack channel, allowing other participants to view, download, and use the shared data.